Right guys, so LG does this thing where it like so basically whenever it gets to 600 it does that and it kind of makes tapping noises. I don't know if you can hear them now, but it's making the tapping noises. I don't know what that is. It's kind of shaking my fridge as well. I don't know, but some food in there is shaking. And you can see the dryer is kind of slightly shaking as well. Yeah, so it's been doing that ever since we got it. Like it's not a problem, but I'm just wondering why.